Have you ever had a problem with a rusted bolt that won't budge? You've tried WD-40, you've tried PB Blaster, you've warmed it up, and nothing will get it loose. Well, today I'm going to show you a simple solution using candle wax and a little bit of heat. The first thing you want to do is grab a tea light and cut it in half. Now, if your bolt isn't attached to anything, make sure it's nice and secure in a vise. If you can't hold the heat on the back of the nut itself, hold it on the back of the bolt and wait for the wax to draw through the threads. And the nut is off just like that. I'm telling you, this is easy. I tried it on a trailer bolt a few months ago, worked like a charm. Let's do a couple more. So when you're ready to throw in the towel, grab a tea light and give it one more shot. If you've got something you want to see me build or a hack you want to see me try, submit it below. Until next time, keep on cottaging.